In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cards automatically in Trello, a powerful project management software. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to streamline your workflows and save precious time by automating card movements based on specific triggers. So, let's get started. First things first, navigate to your desired Trello board. Once you're there, you'll find three small dots, usually somewhere around the top corner. This is the menu button. Click on it to open up the menu. This is where you can access various board settings and options that Trello offers. Now that you have the menu open, look for the automation option and click it. Automation is a key feature in Trello, and it allows you to set up rules and commands to make your board work exactly the way you want. After selecting automation, you'll see a few more options appear. Go ahead and click on rules. With the rules section now open, you're ready to create your first automation. To do this, you'll want to click on create automation. This will set the stage for defining specific conditions and actions for your cards. Next, you'll need to define a trigger for your rule. Keep in mind that triggers are the events that prompt your automation to start. Click on plus add trigger. For this specific example, we're going to choose a checklist as our trigger. This means when a checklist action occurs, it will prompt the card movement. Once you've selected checklist as your trigger, it's time to enter the name of your checklist. This is important because it determines which checklist interaction will trigger the card's movement. Type in the name of your checklist and continue. You then have the option to set the trigger to by me or by anyone. Clicking on by me means the automation will activate only when you perform the action. However, if you'd like this to be a team-wide automation, you can change it to by anyone. After setting your conditions, add the trigger by clicking on the plus sign. This confirms that the trigger has been successfully added to your rule. Now it's time to decide what action should follow when the trigger is activated. For this tutorial, we will focus on moving a card. So select move as the action from the available options. Following this, specify which list the card should move to by clicking list name. Choose your target list from the drop-down menu. After making your selection, add it by clicking the plus sign again. Finally, you need to save your new automation rule by clicking on save. This stores your rule in Trello, allowing it to run in the background whenever the specified conditions are met. Lastly, you can close the menu to return to your board. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an automated card movement in Trello. This should help you manage your workflows with more ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.